Now let's run this as I have copied the private key. uh, Now let's this command and deploy our smart contract. Okay, so here it is. We have successfully compiled our smart contract, and here we get NFT. Here we get the contract address of our deploy smart contract. So let's see. You can save the contact address that was printed on your terminal notepad, and now just check that here. Let's copy it and paste it here. Okay, yes. So we have deployed a smart contract. So if the address opens up on the other scan, you have deployed your first NFT. Congratulations. Go to the transaction details by clicking on the transaction head. Check that there was a token transferred to your address. Uh, let's see there it is. There's the token transaction to the address, which is this one, ID1 game item. We have write this here. Here it is. So congratulations, we have completed our freshman course. It is provided by LearnWeb3.io. uh, Pretty descriptive and very good for starters to get going. I have learned a lot from it. Now just paste our smart contract address here to submit our last assignment. Let's just copy it from here and paste it here and just submit it. Okay, assignment credit we scored 100. Now just and here it is. You have graduated the freshman course. Great. Good on great. Something went wrong during graduation, and so you have linked your Discord account to the website. Okay. I think I didn't have added a Discord account, so you can edit. I will do it later. I will do it later. So great. Now on your NFT certificate, on Adobe NFT certificate, you can share on Twitter and LinkedIn. It will also automatically be attached to your Learn Web3 portfolio, so you can flex your skills. Okay, you will get a NFT certificate as you complete this course. Okay, so congratulations, we have just completed the freshman course. Now uh, there are other tracks we will going to cover sophomore, which is dig deep and build the apps. So we will going to see this track in our next video section. So uh, then we will going to cover junior section, then a senior, then we will going to cover this also if required. So congratulations, we have done it. We have just passed the freshman course. Let's move on to the next, and let's meet in other track videos. Thank you.